Guys, welcome back to CountyLine TV. We're going to get right into the action today. In the last episode, we talked about the fact that I am steering away from doing cooling mods to the car for this next event because this next event I'm not going to get the hot lap and we're just going to make the car look good. So we're going to get right to making the car look good. I will show you guys the side skirts we're putting on the car right now. So what we have here is actually a BRZ TS side skirt. Good friend Austin hooked me up with them back when I actually had a BRZ, and since then I put them on everything that's not a BRZ, but you can tell they've been mounted to a few things because they've got some leftover rivets stuck in them. And I'm gonna move you guys down here. I'm a little sad because I thought they were gonna cover more than they do, and they're not really gonna get us where I want it to be. So one second. So about right there is where it would sit, and as you can see, I think, yes, as you can see, that doesn't fill the entire gap of where I blew this thing apart. So that absolutely sucks, and I'll have to do some fiberglass work, and that's not ideal, to be honest. I'm going to mount this on here anyway for this event and just go with it, but I'm going to have to figure something out about getting this void filled. I just want to look at the other side. There's going to be a void over there too. That sucks. I was really hoping that these would cover all the damage and I could just slap them on and nobody'd know the car was hurt underneath. That's not the case. That's not the case at all. So I think what I'm actually going to do, instead of doing a ton of fiberglass work, because that would be a ton of fiberglass work, I think I'm actually going to try to find some side skirts, like I think S14 side skirts cut down work pretty good on these cars. So I'm going to try to find something that'll cover it up better in the future, but I'm just going to slap these on super temporarily until then, and while I paint the car and make it look somewhat decent for this 10K event, because I just know there's going to be a ton of media coverage there. Like I think every lap turned is probably going to have lots of pictures and probably more than one video, because there's just a lot of coverage. There's going to be a lot of people there because there's going to be so many drivers from far away there and so many big names like Taylor Ray and Ben Julian, and then I've heard wind of people like Jonathan Hurst and Human Rahimi, and there's just lots of people coming that are going to draw a lot of cameras, and I want the car to look as good as it can for that, so that's why she's getting painted, and some skirts and front lip and some hood vents, because the radder your car looks, the more people want to see it. Alright guys, unfortunately my only help right now is my wife, which it's only unfortunate because you said you wouldn't be on camera tonight. Anyway, unfortunately, because she said she won't be, she sells seashells down by the seashore. Unfortunately, because she said she wouldn't be on camera tonight, my wife is my only help, and this is not, absolutely not a one-person job. But, look at how good this looks. Yeah, that was good. Shee. That's probably the most exciting thing I've done to this car since I've owned it. That looks good. I really like that. Subaru BRZ TS, you guys are on it. Anyway, we're going to get the other side done, and then hopefully I can show you some more of me doing some other stuff that's like probably a one-person job. See you there.
You want to explain what you're doing?
What?
You want to explain what you're doing?
I didn't know the camera was rolling. The fender is doing a funny thing where the front of it's further towards the inside of the car than the back of it. You can note, I don't know if you see it or not, but the gap in the door. So I'm trying to get all these wood screws that one of the previous owners put in it out, so I can try to straighten it up some so that our side skirt fits the same on this side as it did on the other side. But one of these screws is effed or something.
I'll move the camera. Sorry.
It's full of stuff.
From where there was a drop at the riverside?
Probably. Probably. Huh.
What?
I'm gonna have to have you grab me like a pick or something. Oh God.
That is so much.
Oh,
Just keep coming. It's like a nest.
there's a whole bale of hay in there. God dang. There's still a lot more too. Holy crap. Wow. So that was bad.
What are you thinking?
I think I want a zip screw. So what did your idiot husband do with the drill bit that he pulled out of here?
I don't know. Right here.
Oh wow. That was easy.
Going the right way. That's it.
Yep. So we got it. Wife's first time installing a riv nut. So for you guys watching at home, all we did was drill a couple holes in the side skirt, and then we drilled through the side skirt into the car, riv nutted the car, and now we're putting a fastener on it. And we're gonna wash, rinse, repeat all the way down the side skirt until we're happy with the way it fits. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap on that. Super stoked with how good that came out. I could not be happier with the way those fit. And to be honest, that's not even that bad. That void we were talking about, it's just, I mean, you could see, it's just that little triangle right there. I don't think it's that bad. I think it'll be fine. There's an even smaller one on this side, very, very small on this side. I'll show you. That's that little tiny guy right there. Once I paint it all one color and you're 50 feet away and the car's going 50 miles an hour billowing smoke, you'll never know. You'll never know. On to the next project. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I was going to go ahead and move on to the next project with the Corvette, but unfortunately I need to go buy a tool tomorrow. So what we're going to leave on is some sweet side skirts installed on the Skidvette, and I guess I will pick up the camera tomorrow and do some more filming. But I'm going to go edit this video, get it posted, try to get back on track with my every other day videos. Hopefully you guys are into that. I know I get a lot more views when I post consistently, so evidently it works. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Watch that video, watch that playlist, click subscribe, tell your mom to subscribe. See you next time.